guys, today like always something very cool, easy and taste. I'm going to make caramelized almond. We need just few ingredients: almond, sugar. I'm gonna use some lemon. This is 200 grams, 100. If it was 300, 150. Okay, 160 degrees. Okay, we put in. Always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Sugar in. We take the lemon. We put some drops. We put on the flame. We're gonna toast them around 8 to 10 minutes. It's very important. We don't wanna touch it. The sugar gonna melt. When it's like that, start to move a little bit. Okay, guys, the sugar is completely melt. Almond inside is hot. Go ahead. Just mix it. Mix it. Take your time. They're shining. Look at that. With the lemon. Okay? The paper. Put a little touch of oil. The almond. Put on. Take lemon. Okay? Make a nice square. It's very important to do this now. Okay? Because when the sugar becomes solid, this is gonna be very hot. Beautiful. 15, 20 minutes. Just leave it to cool down, okay? Beautiful, guys. Easy? Easy one. Now we can cut it the way you like. You don't have any rules. Delicious. My caramelized almond as it is. Always, guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.